For those of you that play Savage Worlds or a similar game that use exploding dice, we've also incorporated a command to allow you to do that within RPGSmith. All you have to do is simply add a exclamation point to the end of your dice command. And if you roll a 6, if you roll a 6, if you roll a 6, they will explode and continue to explode to give you the result you need. Maybe a 4 would be easier. There we go. So you can see the first 6, 2 resulted in an explosion, which was these two. This one resulted in an explosion, which resulted in this one. And the total is all of these added together.